forgot the alpha brain. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Number one, by far in the morning, ADGI. So standard recipe, they dropped some news midday yesterday. Explosive mover. I know I'm a broken record, but these are the situations where Twitter is useful. I did see, all these clowns magically guess the top at 11:30. Meanwhile, I'd like to know what quote unquote signal, other than just shorting into nonstop green candles and praying to whatever God you believe in. That being said, the guess on the top, bros, congrats. It pulled back, $1 a share. But then continued to grind, continued to hold VWAP, closed basically at the high of the day. And I know what you're going to say. Tim, the high of the day was 16. It closed at 14. I mean, come on. It's a $6 stock that closed at 14. Now I get it. I can see the chart. I remember to put my glasses in today. I realized the actual high of the day was 1651, okay? But the point is, it closed at 14 from 6. Nobody got out. Then it squeezes at 4 a.m., which they all do. I'm thinking about moving to, New Zealand. I tell you, these NASDAQ stocks that close near the high of the day, what time is it in New Zealand? What time is it in New Zealand? Yeah, 2:30 a.m., so 4 hours ago. Well, that wouldn't have been the best time, though. You get the point. These 4 a.m. squeezers have been money if you want to get up at 3:45. So that being said, still hanging around, still at VWAP. What's the level we're looking at? Let me get a big chart. Let me get the 2-day, and right there. That Oracle level, so these lines, a lot of you, I don't know if you guys know, a lot of these lines, this is the Oracle support and resistance levels. I didn't draw these lines, okay? This is the algo that does that, and it matches up with the algo, or the Oracle bar, as we call it, okay? So that being said, I like that 16 level. So 16 breaks, probably risk down on VWAP, goal high teens, 20 plus. So ADGI, I think using the Oracle levels on this today is wise. And then, remember, 12 trading days of Christmas on my personal Instagram. Again, I'll move on. Most of you have already heard it, but head over there, give me a follow, blah, blah, blah. But I'm giving away every trading day up until Christmas. I'm giving away a free or inexpensive trading resource. Check it out. What are your thoughts on WTT? Asset sale. I'm never a fan of asset sales. It's 5G, 24 million. It's a lot of money for a 40 million market cap. So when I say I'm not a fan of asset sales, keep in mind the idea, okay? So understand when a company's selling assets, it's never really bullish because, think about if you had a business, okay? You're a trucking company, okay? I just saw a truck go by, okay? If you're a trucking company and you're selling your trucks, is that ever bullish? How do you get more business? How do you make more deliveries? Sure, it gets you cash, but how do you grow your business if you're selling assets? So Not a fan. I mean, it's some 5G play. It's relatively low float, but very, very seldom are these trades, in my opinion. So, WTT, what? What happened? So Evernote takes an update this morning. What did I do? My keyboards. What did I hit? So, this is awesome. My keyboard's locked. Best pre-market prep ever. You know it's live, baby. If you're ever wondering if it's live, it's live. I don't know what I did. Saw me on Sykes' episode of Below Deck. So, Jeff the Omega, I would like to congratulate you because you just wasted 30 minutes of your life that you will never get back. So congrats, Jeff, for watching the worst reality TV show in the history of mankind. I've been on that show twice. And I believe, of all of the terrible reality TV shows, Below Deck is the absolute worst. Now, I want to be clear. Timmy Sykes is my buddy, my business associate. I love him, and it was a blast going on, okay? It was awesome going on $10 million yacht. I went twice, go to the Caribbean, all expenses paid. I'm cheap, love it. It was an amazing experience. And I will always be grateful to Tim for inviting me along. But you will never get that half hour of your life back. Is that seriously what you want to do with your life? Watch the worst reality TV show in the history of mankind? Think of what you could have done to improve your life, your community, the world in general with that 30 minutes of time. KXIN. Week open red to green. Sketchy Chinese EV play. Not a dip buy. Week open red to green for a Friday squeeze. Not a dip buy. Thoughts on GRTX. So GRTX is on my hanging around list. Okay, so I know I flipped through the notes pretty quickly, but a lot of these crappy biotechs hanging around into a Friday. GRTX is one of them. The rest, ISIG, Blue, BFRI, SEAC, SGMA, LGVN, AVCT, GRTX, and I typed ISIG twice. So yeah, basically same levels. That 350 level on GRTX. GNFT has news. Is this an NFT play? Woo, I hope it's an NFT play. They have NFT in their oh, it's a biotech. Boo. Dang it! What's the news? Let me go to breaking news. What's the news? What's the news? I don't see. Oh, wait, here it is. Thank you, breaking news, as always. The breaking news bros are amazing. GenFit enters exclusive licensing agreement for El Fabrano, a phase 3 asset evaluated in primary biliary chondritis. I don't know. It's 45. It's not a low float. It's a big breakout. Afternoon VWAP hold. So, what do I keep doing? It's something to do with Evernote. Oh, great day. GNFA afternoon VWAP holds. Not low float. And I really have no idea what this news is. All right. GM. There's probably your best short GM. You want to swing short? Short GM, man. So, all right, guys. For me, based on what I see right now, it's kind of ADGI. Now, as we always say, it only takes one, okay? So I think a lot of newer traders think, oh, you know, there's not a million stocks running all over. It's a mediocre day. No, not at all. It only takes one, you know, and to have a good day. So you don't need 500 tickers. You're not going to trade 500 tickers. You're not going to trade 50 tickers. You're probably not even going to trade 5, okay? Especially if you're part-time, especially if you're new. It only takes one. And if ADGI blows through 16 and squeezes on a Friday, that's all we need, okay? That being said, take a look at the hanging around list. I'll leave it up for a few seconds. You should be able to ISIG, Blue, BFRI, SCAC, SGMA, LGVN, AVCT, and GRTX. Copy those down. Red to greens, breaks of the week's highs, breaks of the previous day's highs, you know, all those squeezy type Friday afternoon patterns. Go to StocksToTrade.com/watchlist to get the free weekend watch list. It's been on point with swing trades as well as Monday morning squeezers. It's free. You get a video, you get charts, and have an amazing weekend. Sorry about all of my keyboard issues, but we made it. So have a great week. ADGI and a bunch of mediocres. So, all right. See you next time, my friends.